Good morning, guys. 3:56 in the morning, and the low tide is already halfway. So let's go to the water. I'm using right now the new Vortex headphones, so we don't have any problem to go to the water anymore. Just make sure everything is tight. Still running version 2.07. I don't have a plan yet to upgrade to 908. Let's go. Luton 44. Let's try this. It's iron. Really? Iron. 66. 67. Battle cup 75. I forgot what is 75. Oh, what's this? I think it's a medal or a pendant. Let's check later. Nice one. Oh man, it's a very small aluminum. 5 peso. Oh, oh, found something. Oh, we're on the chest tip, guys. I think we found something good. Right, guys, it's right gold. I think it's a big ring. Oh, it's in deep water. Oh. Need to keep this, guys. I read this. Wow, it's a big one. Yay! The headphones is paid. Yes, I'm sure, guys, this is gold. White gold. It's white but yellowish. Yes, and I'm very far from the shore, so I can shout. And actually, guys, I'm using the waterproof casing for my GoPro, so I think the audio is not that good, but still I hope you see that video and you still can hear me. Woo! Nice one. Nice start. I was scared of that, but I think that is a school of fish. Woo! Scary. Night hunting is always scary on water, but it's okay. It's square. I don't know what is that. I cannot go there because it's deep. Cannot reach that. I'll go back to the shallow. I almost can see, but I think it's like 45. 45 is most likely aluminum, but sometimes it's a ring or a necklace. Gold necklace. Is this the one? Yeah, it's aluminum. Aluminum sounds good. I don't know if there is really a signal, but the vortex is actually noisy. Let's try to ground balance. There is a signal but not stable. I'm running at sensitivity 5. Do I need to lower down? was so excited because this is solid 52. The last time I found the solid 52 was diamond ring 18 karat, and now it's the partner of the pole tab 52. Ah. Barrel cap. Oh, another ring, guys. Sounds like gold also because it's 65, but this is purple, very light, and this is aluminum. Bottle cap also sounds like this. At least we find our second ring. 54, a pull top. Oh, it's shallow. Yay! I know it. Pull top. All right. Another pull tab. Aluminum. A big aluminum. Another pull tab. Good morning, pull tab. By the way, guys, the moon is almost setting, maybe after 1 hour. If you don't know this, guys, I will tell you how to know if the tide is going up or going low just by watching the moon. Just in case you forgot to check the low tide and then you're on the beach and you see the moon. If the moon is at the non-time area, it is full high tide, and once the moon is going down, we are facing now at the west. If the moon is going down, the low tide also starting, and then if the moon is already setting, that is the full low tide. Once the moon had already set, the high tide will start to go up, and then you just count like 6 hours, it's a high tide again. And then if the moon is already rising, the high tide is also starting, and then just go on and on. So that is how to know if it's high tide or low tide. The tide is going low or going high. There's a very few signal here, guys. It's already 5:55 in the morning. I'm actually planning to hunt until 8 o'clock, but because we found gold early, maybe we'll go home at around 6. It's time to sleep, so that later or tomorrow morning we can go back to hunt. Unstable 40s and 50s, mostly aluminum. Right, it is. Partner of a pull tab. I actually want to finish this area, but there's a very few signal, and I found big holes, so someone was already here. See that holes? That's huge. Using a big detector. Another very big hole. Another one, very big hole. So it's not just an ordinary detector. Already 6:06 in the morning, guys. It's time to go home and sleep. We found gold. See you at the wrap up. For the wrap up, guys, as you can see, I dug a lot of trash and I found only 4 treasure. This one is like a Chinese medal or something like a pendant. I'm not sure about it. Have a ring, aluminum ring, and maybe this is my only hunt that I found only 1 coin. I searched for around 2 hours only, and that area has been bombarded with most of the metal detectors, but I am willing to dig all of this just to find this one. Right, but actually I found this for like 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes. This is confirmed as 14 karat white gold, 7.5 grams. So the melt value of this is more than twice the price of the Vortex headphones. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this hunt, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified if I have a new video. Please give me a thumbs up also if you like this video. Happy hunt, everyone.